Okay, before we save our file, we're gonna make these into hyperlinks, so we're gonna be able to click on them. The idea is that eventually we're gonna have 4 files, 1 file for each link. So first let's make them into hyperlinks and then basically copy this file and just copy it into 4 different files. So first, how to make something into a hyperlink, we just select the text and then go up here and click on the button Insert Hyperlink. Now we're going to type index.htm. That's going to be the name of our first file. When we click on Home, we're supposed to go to this Word file. We click OK. We select About Me, click on the button Insert Hyperlink. We type About Me in one word .htm. Click OK. We select Pictures, click on Insert Hyperlink, Pictures.htm. We select Contact Me, click on the button Insert Hyperlink, and we type contactme.htm. Now let's go to File and Save As, and remember this is the first file, so we have to save it as a web page. Select this type. The name is index, and then it's going to add automatically .htm. That's the type of file it is. So let's go to desktop, since I have my folder here, and my website. Now I'm going to save this into my folder, and it's going to be named index, and since it's a web page, it's going to be index.html. So let's click save. And now we can see that we can see the edge of the paper, because this is not a Word document anymore, it's a web page. So let's see inside the folder here. So Word has created a folder with some files. We don't really need them right now. We're just gonna focus on this one. Index, and it says HTML document, which means that it is a website. So if I would like to open up the file, I just double click and the computer will recognize it as a web page. Now it's possible to click on this one, but if I click on About Me, it won't work, because remember, I have to have 4 files, and they're gonna look exactly the same, but I have to have 4 files with these names. So let's just go back to the Word document, File, Save As, and then we type About Me and then select Save As Type Web Page. That's the second one. One more time, File, Save As. The third one is going to be Pictures. Click Save, and the last one, the fourth one, is going to be Contact Me. Web page. Save. Now if we go back to our folder, we can see that we have index, About Me, Pictures, Contact Me, 4 files. So let's open up this again. Index, that's our first file. So if we click on Home, we'll go back to the same page. About Me works fine, Pictures works fine, Contact Me works fine. The only thing now is that they look the same, so we can't really tell the difference if we're in the Picture section or in the About Me section. So let's close Explorer and go back to the Word document. How about we're gonna add something? How about, well, let's close this. Let's do this in order. The first one, in order to open up your documents, you can't double click. You have to right click and open with and select Word, otherwise it will open it up in a web browser. So we would like to change it and edit it. This is the first, or the home, which is okay. It just says welcome to my website. You can add some other things later. So this is okay. The other one, let's choose about me. Open up with Word. Let's change this a little bit. So we delete this. We're going to type about me. And then you write something. Maybe add a picture or something. And then click Save. And then Pictures, right click, open with Word. Just delete this. And then I type Pictures. Pictures goes here. Click Save. Close this one. The last one is Contact Me. Right click, open with Word. Oops. Notepad. Open with Word. Contact Me. So contact me. My email is, and then you can write something here. Click Save. Okay, now let's try it one more time and see if we can tell the difference. So just double click on Index. That's the home. That's the first web page. We click on Home, we're going to be back to this same web page. If we click on About Me, see, we go to a different page. If we click on Pictures, we go to another page, and Contact Me, we come to this page. So now we have 4 different pages in our website and a working menu. If we don't like these borders, or if we want to change them, I will show you how to do this. So let's right click and change it in the first file. We open up with Word, and we just have to right click within this table. So let's right click and go to Table Properties, and here it says Borders and Shading. It's a button here. I click on it, and to the left here it says Border. I just choose None and click OK. Okay. Now we can still see that there's a border here, but it's just for us to know that it's there, because if we click Save and then go back to this one and open it up, we will see that something has changed. We can see no border, so maybe we think this is better. The good thing about this is that we have centered it, so even if we minimize the window, see, it's going to be in the center all the time, the logo type in the menu. Maybe you would like to insert a picture. Let's go to this one. Pictures, open with Word. So I would like to insert some pictures. Oh, sorry, this was pictures, yeah. Remember, we only took away the border in the first file. So if you would like to have it in all the files, you have to do the same thing. Table Properties, Borders, choose None. Okay, okay. Then you taking away the borders. So here, just select where you would like the pictures to go, and then select Insert Picture from File. then you should already have saved the picture and have it in this folder. So the picture has to be here. So that's the only thing you have to do. Just click where you would like the picture to be and then insert picture from file. So try to finish this website and put some content in this section. In this section, add some pictures to this section and add something to this. And just, you know, try some different things, maybe change some colors, add some pictures, center the text, make it go to the right, to the left, try a couple of things. Every time you have made a change, you have to save it in Word and go to your folder and then open it up again in Explorer, and then you can see the changes.